Hello and welcome everyone. In this video tutorial, we will discuss how we can add a dashboard to our home page in Salesforce. So in this video tutorial, we will discuss how to add a dashboard to a home page in both Salesforce Lightning as well as Salesforce Classic. Now, before we jump to our first topic, I would like to tell you that we bring such tutorials on regular basis. So if you want to become a Salesforce expert, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can also press the bell icon to get regular updates from it. Now let's discuss the very first topic, that is about adding the dashboard to the home page in the Salesforce Lightning edition. Now basically a Salesforce dashboard is a customizable visual display of key business data in the form of charts, graphs and tables. It provides real-time insights into business matrices and allows users to make data-driven decisions. Now what is the home screen? A home page, or we can say the home screen in Salesforce, is the first thing users see when they log into their Salesforce account. It is a central hub for managing daily tasks and workflows within the platform. Now let us see the steps how we can add this dashboard to the home page. So first of all, you have to log into your Salesforce Lightning account and you have to move to the home setup page. Now if you are not on the home setup page, you have to click on this gear icon and then click on setup. So my home setup page looks something like this. Now from here, move to the left menu and under quick find search box, we have to look for app builder. So once I search for app builder, here you can see the option that is Lightning app builder. I need to click on this. See this step will basically open a setup page for the Lightning app builder. Now from this page, I need to click on new to create a new Lightning page. Now from here, I need to select the type of page I want. So I want the home page. So I will click on this and then I click on next button. After this, I need to specify the name for my customized Lightning home page. So I will name it as custom home and then again I will click on next. After this, I need to basically select the page template that I want. So I want the standard home page template. You can select any one of them from the given three options. There is a header N3 region, there is home template 1 region, and there is standard home page. I want standard home page, that's why I will selected this, and now I will click on finish. So by performing this step, we have created a layout for our custom home page. Now from the left side of menu, I need to drag and drop the dashboard component. So here you can see the dashboard component. I need to drag it and you can basically drop it where you want. I want it at the very top, that's why I will drop it here. Now once this has been done, from the right side you can see under dashboard section, you can select the dashboard that you want for this home page. So I have this custom dashboard, so I will select this one and I can also specify the maximum height for it. For the current instance, I want it as a default. Now if you don't know how to create a dashboard in Salesforce, we already have a detailed article on it and you can find the link of that article in the description box. Now after adding dashboard, I can also add other components as well that I want on my home page. So let me add chat feeder and let me add this assistant. Now once my home page is set up, what I need to do, I need to first save it. Now once I have added all the components, I need to click on the save button. See here you can see this. First, after saving the page, I need to activate this page to make it visible to the users. So I will click on activate. Now from here there are three options that I can select for activation of my home page. For example, I can keep this home page as organization default, or I can keep this home page as application default, or I can also keep it as app and profile default. So for the current instance, I want it as application default, so I will click on this assign as org default and I will click on this save option. Now again I will click on save, and with this what I have done, I have successfully created a custom home page and then I have added the dashboard component on it. Now how I can view this home page? For this what I will do, I will open any of the objects that are there. So I will click on this app launcher view all option and then I will open the accounts object. Now for the home page of this, you can see the custom home page is open for this. So first component that is there on the homepage is dashboard, then there are two other components. One of them is assistant and another one is chatter. So with this, we have seen how to add this dashboard on Salesforce Lightning homepage, but some of the people also works on Salesforce Classic Edition. So let us discuss the steps for Classic as well. So first of all, I will switch to Salesforce Classic Edition. So I will click on my avatar. Now once you have logged into your Classic Edition, click on this setup option which is given just on the top right corner. I will click on this. Now again I will go to quick find search box and I will search for home page, and I have to open this option, that is home page layouts. Now here you can see this is my home page default. So I will click on edit to edit this page, and if I scroll down, here you can see this option, that is dashboard snapshot. So I will tick mark this option and click on next, and from here I will click on save and assign, and in the last simply click on save. So with this we have modified the home page layout and we have added the dashboard component on it. Now how I can view this? So I will click on this home page option. Now if I scroll down, you can see there are certain components. For example, calendar is there, my task is there, and now you can see dashboard is also there. And I can also customize this by clicking on this customize page option. So with this we have come to the end of this tutorial session, where we have seen how we can basically add the dashboard component to the home page of both Salesforce Classic as well as Salesforce Lightning Edition. Now if you really like this content, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also press the like button to like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next one. And here are some more recommendations from our side.